This week in the market. Why gold is rising, oil is falling, and the dollar is confusing everyone. October 20th to 24th, 2025. All right, traders and investors, listen up. This week, from October 20th to 24th, 2025, the market is shaping up like a thriller movie. Gold is flexing, oil is panicking, Bitcoin's confused, and the US dollar? Well, it's playing both sides. Let's break down what's really happening across Forex, gold, oil, and Bitcoin, and how you should think about the markets this week. Not trade advice, just pure insight. Let's go. 1. Forex, the dollar's double game. The US dollar is in a weird place right now. The IMF just dropped its World Economic Outlook, basically saying global growth is slowing down again. That usually sends money running toward the dollar, because investors see it as a safe haven. But here's the twist. The Fed's latest tone is soft, almost dovish, and that's keeping yields from running too high. So the dollar this week? Expect it to swing between strength on bad news and weakness on any sign the Fed might actually start cutting sooner. Watch the data, not the drama. PMI and inflation headlines will drive every spike and dip. 2. Gold, the silent winner. Gold has been that quiet beast in the corner. Everyone's ignoring it, but it's gaining strength. Why? Because the market's scared. Slower growth plus lower real yields equals investors running back to safety. But if US yields rise again while gold holds steady, that's your signal that institutions are hedging hard, not speculating. So don't chase hype, watch the correlation. If gold goes up while the dollar stays firm, that's a macro story, not a momentum one. 3. Oil, too much of a good thing. Oil traders are sweating. The IEA just hinted at a possible surplus coming into 2026, and demand signals from China are soft again. This means more barrels, less buyers. That's why oil's been under pressure lately. And if inventory reports this week confirm oversupply, it could keep falling. And you know what that means? Currencies like CAD and NOK could feel the pain, since they depend so much on oil strength. 4. Bitcoin from hype to reality. Bitcoin, the people's hedge, is looking tired. ETF flows have turned negative. Big players are cashing out, and retail's sitting on their hands. It's not bearish, it's just reality. Crypto now moves with global risk sentiment. When investors get scared, they pull out of risky assets, and Bitcoin isn't immune anymore. So, if global fear rises this week, expect crypto to feel the chill too. Here's the truth. This week isn't about chasing trades, it's about understanding flows. Gold is your thermometer. Oil tells you the global demand story. The dollar is the referee. And Bitcoin? It's the risk meter. So before you take a position, step back and ask, where's the world's money flowing right now? If you like this breakdown, hit that like button, share it with your trading group, and subscribe, because every week, I bring you financial insight that actually makes sense.